Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'll be showing you Tangerine how to deposit cash. So without wasting any time, let's get right on the video. In order to deposit cash in your Tangerine account, the first thing that you need to do is simply head over and open up the Tangerine application. Then be sure to be logged into your account, and once logged into your account, what you need to do is tap on locations or ABM finder option. Then next step is to find Scotiabank ATM. On screen, find a Scotiabank ATM and look for ATM that accepts cash deposits. Tangerine uses Scotiabank ATMs. Then select deposit on the ATM. Then once done, simply insert the Tangerine card. Then use a Tangerine bank line card and enter your PIN. The next step is to select deposit. On the screen, select deposit cash and then insert the cash. No envelope is needed. Smooth bills only and wait while the ATM counts the money. Then next step is to confirm the amount. Simply double check the total and then tap on confirm on the ATM screen. Then next step is to take a receipt. Once done, what you need to do is take a receipt, keep it until the deposit fully clears, and the funds may be on temporary hold as well. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, and see you soon on the next one.